What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of the internet? We're back here for a fun episode of DIY Amateur Hour. I'm not really going to be doing any work in this episode. We're rather going to have some fun. As you're going to see, it's snowing once again here in upstate New York. And it's real slick snow, real slippery snow. It's good for drifting. So, we've got a rear-wheel drive car here. What else would you do other than take it out in the snow, have some fun? So I'm going to throw the deck lid back on this thing to cover up the engine since there's no air filter on the car. So I'm going to throw the deck lid back on the car real quick, kind of keep some snow out of the engine since there's no air filter on the throttle body, and we'll take the car out in the snow. Now there's not a whole lot of good stuff about snow or living in a snowy climate. It's cold, it's miserable, limits everything that you can do outside, but it does allow you to get your cheap, broken down, underpowered car to drift sideways. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to have some fun and bring you along for the ride. Here we go. Oh, jeez. I forgot how much fun this was by yourself. almost stuffed it on that one. And around we go. Wow, that was no throttle whatsoever. That's crazy. Oh, geez. Well, the exhaust that we just built is kind of hanging off the car. We're gonna have to go home and fix that. Car sounds good though. We broke a weld somewhere though, because she's hanging down. Car did really good in the snow. Car drifts really well. Let's see. Really proud of the Fiero in the snow. But we're gonna drive home. Hopefully that exhaust doesn't fall off any further. It's gonna be making noise the whole time because it's dragging on the ground, but we'll go home, fix it, and do a recap of what happened. See you back at the house. All right, YouTube, we're back in the garage. Just pulled the car in after our little drifting session, but we got a little bit of a casualty. I got no idea how the footage from the GoPro turned out, or even if this is gonna make it to the internet. But if the GoPro footage turned out all right, you will see that we went over a little bit of a snowbank. I don't know, it's maybe 6 inches high, and we broke a couple welds on the exhaust that we just built in this episode, or that episode, or this one, that one, whichever one. So I'm going to show you a little bit of what happened. So the car did very well in the snow. I'm pretty happy with it. But when we went over the snowbank, you can see our exhaust is sitting on the garage floor. It's supposed to be up there, down there. It's supposed to be up there. And muffler's hanging down a bit too. I'm not supposed to be able to see that. And this side of the exhaust is hanging down a bit too. So we broke a weld. Well, we must have broke at least a few welds somewhere. So we'll let everything melt and dry off. We'll come back and see if we can't fix it. And we can always fix it. This is DIY amateur hour, so.